Okay, so when we last left off, we have this paper which has a border on it and it also has a title block on it. So now all we need to do before we really get started with drawing any drawing that we need to find a center point. Now a really quick and easy way of finding a center point is centering what you have on your paper. So if I measured my title block, the top part of my title block, it should measure 10 inches because it's 11 inches across. I took ½ inch on both sides, so I can just easily just put a dot at what would essentially be 5 inches right there. Do the same thing up here at the top. Again, measure it. It should be 10 inches and just put a dot. And from that point, I can then go on to measuring dot to dot. Now, I took ½ inch off here, took ½ inch off here for the other side of the border, took another ½ inch off here for the title block. That's 1.5 inches, so 1.5 inches away from 8.5 should leave me 7. In this case scenario, I have 7 inches, so my center point is right where it would be 3.5 inches is. And that's actually my center point of my paper. This is really good for anything that's going to be a symmetrical drawing. So your first basic drawings, yes, they need to be centered. Now later on we're going to move on to other drawings and we'll have other complexities about that, but each of those views will also need to be centered.